lowest level of your home. You go away from the exterior of your home, away from the windows. You stay in interior section as low down as you can, away from upper levels, away from roofs, and away from the exterior, meaning doors and windows. And that's the safest place that you can be when a tornado is either threatening or occurring. Again, this is the cell. It is a strong cell. It has popped up suddenly. It is moving off to the east-southeast at about 25 miles per hour. And as I'm speaking, you're seeing the number of minutes change here from 6 to 5 and so on. So that's what's going on with this particular storm. We had other storms earlier today to the south. They were not tornadic or anything like that, but there were strong storms across southeastern Mass, the Cape, and the islands. As I'm going to do this, Monahan is here in the background. And JC, if you can actually work on Weather 1 and get the severe show up in there with the tornado and things like that, we'll work on that. But in the meantime, we're going to focus here on our Weather 2, which is our Doppler radar. That's what you're looking at. It is all live. There's no delay in this at all. And you can see as the storm continues to press on, Ashburnham very, very close to the storm right now. The center of Ashburnham is about 4 minutes away from getting this particular storm. Once again, I want to let you know the tornado warning is in effect for this area, which is north central Worcester County. It includes Leominster. It includes Fitchburg. It's until 7:45 p.m. It started around 7:05. That storm rotation was started to be spotted. That's now about 13 minutes ago with this particular cell. So therefore, it is capable of producing a tornado the southeast at 25 miles per hour. So once again, Leominster, Fitchburg, Ashburnham, obviously in the very, very near future. You're really affected by this storm right now. So once again, the safety rules to remember whenever there is a tornado warning in effect and your area is affected, you want to go to an interior room on the lowest floor of your building. And you want to stay, if possible, under anything sturdy, but you want to be away from anything exterior and anything high level with regard to your home until the threat passes. And again, this is in effect until 7:45 p.m. Now, when you have a tornado, if it actually does occur, some of the things, of course, are ferocious winds. That's the single most damaging thing. Hail is often a factor with this particular storm itself. Torrential rain and very vivid lightning, all part of a situation when you have a tornado like that. So here's the cell. Once again, closing in on Ashburnham as I speak right now. And if it continues to hold together as it is so far, then Fitchburg, Lunenburg, Shirley, all would be affected by the storm as it continues to move off to the southeast. So that's the story with this particular storm right now. Once again, this all popped up really pretty suddenly, and that can happen with these kinds of storms. You may have nothing on radar, and then a few minutes later, suddenly you have a severe thunderstorm, and then before you know it, you could actually get some rotation near the base of the clouds. Now, here we're taking a look at our other graphic system, Weather 2, and you can see some of the hail markers with these cells, and when you see in 3 dimensions that the storms are pretty tall, those are the ones that we're always very concerned with these particular cells. So once again, hail marker, hail marker, hail marker. As I mentioned, hail is very often a real feature of tornadoes or storms that are severe and almost tornado-like. Here again, you see the cell. One very strong cell right in here, okay? And that's the situation that we're concerned with. And again, the cell's moving southeast. That's the lightning that you're seeing glowing. It's almost continuous lightning that we have going on there. So when you see something like that, you know you're dealing with a very severe, really kind of a nasty storm, a vicious storm, and it's one that we always urge you to take seriously. When we're dealing with severe weather, tornado warning is really the top of the list. It is the most severe kind of weather we have. So the storm is basically on Ashburnham now, 1 minute away, but basically it's a